Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to save a PowerPoint as a JPEG step by step. I'll be showing you this on Windows. Start by clicking on the File tab in the upper left corner of your PowerPoint window. This opens the File menu sidebar where you'll see options like Save, Save As, and Export. Next, click on Save As near the top of that sidebar. You'll see options to choose where you want to save your file, including a Browse button. Click the Browse button. This opens the full Save As dialog box where you can navigate to any folder on your computer. You'll see the file location at the top, a file name field in the middle, and a Save As type dropdown at the bottom. Choose where you want to save your JPEG and type in a file name. Use something descriptive so you can find it later. Now click on the Save As type dropdown menu at the bottom of the dialog. You'll see a list of different file formats. Scroll down and select JPEG File Interchange Format. It'll show as .jpeg in the dropdown. Once you've selected JPEG, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the dialog. PowerPoint will process your request, and a small dialog box will pop up asking which slides you want to export. You'll see two buttons, All Slides and just this one. If you click just this one, PowerPoint will save only the currently selected slide as a single JPEG image in the location you chose. If you click All Slides, PowerPoint will create a new folder in your chosen location and save each slide as a separate JPEG file. The files will be named sequentially like slide1.jpg, slide2.jpg, and so on. Choose whichever option works for your needs and the export will complete instantly. Two quick things to note. First, when you export all slides, PowerPoint automatically creates a folder with the name you entered. You don't have to make the folder yourself. Second, the default export quality is fairly low at around 96 dots per inch. The files will work fine for most uses like emails or web pages, but if you need high-resolution images for printing, the quality might not be quite what you're after. For everyday use though, this method works perfectly. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button and I'll see you in